ABS and traction control warning lights are critical safety indicators that every driver should understand. These lights signal problems with systems that prevent accidents during braking and acceleration. The ABS light indicates a problem with the anti-lock braking system. This system prevents your wheels from locking up during hard braking, allowing you to maintain steering control in emergency situations. The traction control light signals issues with the system that prevents wheel spin during acceleration. It works by applying brakes to spinning wheels and reducing engine power when needed. Modern vehicles integrate these systems with advanced safety features, making proper diagnosis more critical than ever. ABS and traction control now connect with electronic stability control, automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, and adaptive cruise control. A malfunction can affect multiple systems simultaneously. Understanding the most common causes helps prioritize your diagnostic approach. Wheel speed sensors cause 45% of ABS and traction control problems. ABS module or pump issues account for 25%. Brake system problems like low fluid cause 20%, while electrical issues cause 10%. Proper diagnosis starts with systematic visual inspection of key components. Start by checking brake fluid level and color in the master cylinder. Inspect wheel speed sensors for damage or contamination. Examine wiring harnesses for visible damage or corrosion. Wheel speed sensors are typically located near each wheel hub. Look for damage from road debris, salt corrosion, or physical impact. After visual inspection, perform basic electrical system checks. Test ABS fuses, typically rated at 20 to 40 amps. Check battery voltage, which should be minimum 12.4 volts with engine off. Verify all ground connections are clean and tight. Use a multimeter to verify proper battery voltage. Low voltage can cause erratic ABS operation and false warning lights. Professional diagnosis requires an OBD scanner to retrieve diagnostic codes and analyze live data. Connect an OBD2 or OBD3 scanner to retrieve stored error codes and freeze frame data. Analyze live data from wheel speed sensors and monitor brake pressure values during system operation. Modern ABS and traction control systems require professional-grade diagnostic equipment to properly analyze system performance and identify specific component failures. The first step in troubleshooting ABS and traction control issues is testing the wheel speed sensors. These sensors are critical components that monitor wheel rotation and provide data to the control modules. Use a multimeter to test sensor resistance, which should typically read between 1,000 and 2,500 ohms. This resistance test helps identify faulty or damaged sensors. Next, test AC voltage generation by rotating the wheel and measuring the sensor output. Also verify the air gap between the sensor and reluctor ring is within 20 to 50 thousandths of an inch. After testing the sensors, examine the ABS module itself. This involves testing the pump motor current draw, verifying valve operation, and checking module communication with diagnostic equipment. Use professional diagnostic equipment to access the module's internal functions. The hydraulic modulator contains multiple valves and pumps that must operate correctly for proper ABS function. Once repairs are completed, the system must be properly reset. There are universal reset methods that work for most vehicles, as well as manufacturer-specific procedures. Different manufacturers require specific reset procedures. Ford vehicles need a particular key cycle procedure. GM may require steering angle sensor calibration, and Toyota or Lexus often need brake pedal calibration. After any hydraulic component replacement, always perform a complete system bleed to remove air from the brake lines. Finally, verify the repair with comprehensive road testing to ensure all systems function correctly. Proper troubleshooting and reset procedures are essential for safe and reliable ABS and traction control system operation. Always follow manufacturer specifications and verify repairs through comprehensive testing.